Hello, trade pros. Good morning. Hope everyone's having a great day. I'm here in the car. Today is a holiday, and I just wanted to spread a little message with you before we call it a day. Today in the office, we're going to do some work. We Markets are closed, all stock markets and equity indices. Futures markets are open until 1 p.m. Eastern, but I do suggest you don't participate in them. There's going to be low volume, low volatility. Markets are closed in observation of Memorial Day. So what I want to do say for you guys right now is for everyone out there, for any service member, anyone who's served to protect the democracy and the rights and freedoms of all of us, thank you guys. I am grateful. I am blessed to have you guys here. Memorial Day is pretty much a day in the United States where we take a moment to recognize, honor, and remember veterans or soldiers, people who've served, who have lost their lives in combat. So that's what the Memorial Day is for. Take some time to be thankful and grateful for that. And, it takes a brave soul to go out there and do the job they do. We have a couple of them in our community. Riker, this one's for you. I don't know if you're listening. Today is your guys' day. We're going to remember all of you. So markets are closed. Equity indices are closed. There's going to be very little volume and volatility. It's a holiday or a day off in the United States. So there are no markets. So there's no updates. Over the weekend, not much happened. Pretty much a quiet weekend. We do have the European elections. And for the rest of the week, we have some events that are going to cause some volatility, mainly on Thursday morning. Good morning, Audrey. Wafudian Abdul Karim, you are most welcome, sir. The most volatility driving event will be on Thursday morning at 8:30. It's going to be the Q1 GDP for 2019 in the United States. That's going to cause some volatility. We have no economic news that's of significance today, or tomorrow or Wednesday. There's some medium impact, but no high impact events. Devin, hey buddy, how you doing? So our trading room's closed. I'm actually parked at the office right now. Our suite is right up there, and I'm gonna come in, do some work, see how the team's doing. Got some errands to run. We have our very first ever elite boot camp happening in June, and it's with 13 people. It's an application workshop where we take the day trading principles we teach, and we do them with exercises, proprietary level trading exercises. We're gonna work together, and we're going to trade for 1 full week. So we're preparing for that. Today we're going to do some errands. We're going to get out there and just make sure that we're ready. We're pretty much there. We got the slides for the 5 days, and we're going to be reviewing those with the team today and having some fun. And obviously, we're here to support you guys. We're open today for help, support, etc. We are just not going to be trading. The day trading room's closed this morning. We're starting again tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. How's everyone doing? You guys get any questions? I wanted to keep it short and brief today. Wanted to share that message at the beginning because it's very important. Everyone's quiet. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I had a nice, relaxful weekend. I was helping the wife with some of her business stuff as well. And then we just relaxed a little bit. We got some sunshine in Toronto. It was a nice warm day, above 20 degrees Celsius for the first time in a long time. And the summer in Canada is one day. It's usually someday in June. All right, if you guys don't have any questions, nice and brief this morning. I appreciate you all. I will give you these quick tips here for a holiday. Futures markets close at 1 p.m. Eastern, so there will still be some markets that you could look at, and I strongly and highly suggest and recommend you take a break, take a day off. We work really hard, and when we have a day off that coincides with market closure, there's no real purpose of going out there and trying to press it. There's more risk than the opportunity warrants, right? If you think about it, if you work a 9 to 5 job and you have the day off, professional traders have the day off with you. So you're going to be in there mostly trading with retail traders. It's going to be whippy, choppy session, very little movement, less volatility and volume as well. All right. That's the kind of environment we're looking at. If you do decide to look at it, hey, you know what? You could switch on demo and practice. Or if you have the day off, I'll give you guys some other tips of what you could do. If you want to practice on your trading, you could go back and do the replay feature. If you're using Sierra Charts, they have a really neat replay button where you could go back, hit replay, and go back in time and trade a day live in real time. All right. And that's really exciting. So you could practice, you could study. All right. You can review things. This is a good time to review your trading journal, maybe adjust or tweak your trading strategy if necessary. And, those sort of activities that are based on learning and optimizing rather than out there trying to press a dime or a penny. Devin says S&P 500 futures only have 100,000 volume traded so far today. And there you go, Devin. That's usually we see 300 plus 300,000. So it's 1/3 the volume. And, unless there's some big news event, and there likely won't be, there won't be as much volatility. So if you're going to be in the office today, focus on doing activities to help you improve yourself, not really so much trading the market. Jackson had a question. How's the buzz in the city with the Raptors? Man, the city went insane. So Raptors won the game 6, and it was an exciting game. Obviously, it all goes to Kawhi Leonard. That guy's a beast. Single-handedly, well, not single-handedly, but he's the piece that the Raptors needed. We hope that we could keep him around next season. One of the big condo developers in the city said we have 6 penthouses that you could choose from if you stay, and we'll give you one for free. There's a lot of marketing gimmicks like that. They do want the guy to stay. He's building a house in LA at the moment, though, so I don't know what that means. But the buzz has been unreal. The city is really positive vibes, a lot of energy. On Saturday, I went out on King Street, which is sort of the main street where there's a lot of social entertainment type things. A lot of the nightlife happens there. And it was unreal. Like, I couldn't even drive through it. People were just crossing the streets. They were partying on the street. Really good. Really good positive energy. No real damage that I saw on the news. We're in good spirits. And Raptors, our team, Toronto Raptors, made it for the first time in the history of the team to the NBA Finals. We have been in the conference finals before. Super positive experience. I love it. We're celebrating still. And, Golden State Warriors and Chef Curry. he's gonna be hard to take on, but we're looking forward to it. Did you watch it, Jackson? Great game. What else? Oh, it's also gonna be the first time in history that the NBA Finals take place somewhere outside of the U.S. And thank you to the United States for welcoming the Raptors in the league. It's been 25 years. I remember when the Raptors first came in the league, tickets were like $8. Canadian, not US, which is like a quarter US. But they were very cheap. Now it's pretty insane. All right, well, if you guys have no questions, I appreciate you. Remember, take the tips from me. Please, I'm here to help you guys. Stay out of the market, practice, optimize, review your journals, do the other activities around it, and you'll see a lot of improvement. You'll be ready for game time tomorrow. Amazing, Jackson. That's awesome. Fun to celebrate with you then. We're probably celebrating the same time on Saturday night. You guys take care. Have a great rest of your days. We'll see you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. And all the best to you and your families. And for those of you, once again, that have served, or those of you that have family members that have served, I send you guys positive vibes all day long. I send you love, joy, and happiness. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Even though I am a Canadian citizen, all right, I still appreciate and see the value in service. And I thank all of you guys out there that have been involved or are involved at the moment. It's a brave thing you're doing. So take care. Have a great day, guys. All the best. See you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. We'll pick up the markets once again. Got a great trading day ahead of us. Take care and goodbye.